Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Tuesday, the 28th of July, 2020. We're about 9:20 a.m. A lot of 20s there, right? a.m. Central Time. Stock market in a slight decline, not to be unexpected. Big rallies on a Monday often lead to a Tuesday attempt at a reversal. That's what you've got. Longer the day goes on, it'll be attempting it, whether the market closes higher or lower. Well, that remains to be seen. Look at this action in silver. I mean, I'm laughing because it's almost a $4 range from the high to the low. At $5,000 for each dollar in silver, you do realize that's a $20,000 move from highs to lows. Hope you have the stomach for this, but the way it's acting, it acts as though on that big break under the $23 level, the buyer stepped in. In the gold market, you can see how the market has found its support. It did get up to $1974. The $2,000 level will be what it fights to get, in my opinion. Beyond that, I don't know. I think it will depend beyond that, beyond how COVID goes. And right now, we see around the world, COVID's picking up. We never ended the first stage of COVID. It paused, it didn't end, and it's just kicking up one more time. As you take a look at the grain markets, they're all lower today. If you saw the USDA report yesterday, and I published that for my written subscribers, they saw that the numbers just looked great. I mean, all the heat and rain did nothing to damage the crops. Pressure there. We have the API report this afternoon on the energies. We'll get a feel for that. A lot of fear that obviously COVID's going to impact that demand. So, in retail sales, as we take a look, the retail sales for the week on the ICSC group up 1.1% from the prior week, but compared to last year, we'd expect it lower, and it is. It's down to 8.5. The disappointment, I think, came in here. For the first 3 weeks in the Red Book sales, we were up 1.1%. However, we were down 7.2 for the first 3 weeks of July compared to last year. We'd expect that too. And retail sales were down 8.7% ending July 27th versus a year ago week. So a mixed bag there. Case-Shiller, we can see home prices aren't falling. Low interest rates offset any idea that there's an oversupply on the market. In addition, there isn't an oversupply. The conference board's U.S. consumer confidence, you'd expect it to fall, and it did. Why? COVID-19, nothing has changed there. In the Richmond Fed, as you go through these numbers, you get to see that they did much better other than the prices paid index and the prices received index from last month. Not bad. The FOMC begins their two-day meeting today. Tomorrow, all eyes will be glued on the questions asked, in my opinion, of the Fed. I don't think we're looking for any policy changes, but as usual, word after word of what they put out, we'll look for any changes that might be subtle and there. You know, I know a lot of you trade ETFs and futures combined. And with that, what I did is we created a package for these. So you can go month to month on a package where you get both I record about 4 in the afternoon, my ETF Spider package, and then I do in the morning at typically 5:30 a.m. to 5:40 a.m. my futures package. The idea here is in the combination, I'm going to give you an idea of what I'm seeing in both of them. I cover a whole slew of things. I just added this week BETZ, which is the betting ETF, to the Spiders so that you get a feel for what's going on through there, to the Spider ETF video, that is. And of course, in the futures, we've got our mainstays. I cover every complex. As you can see, approximately 40 charts. In the ETFs, as you can see, I'm up to about 36 of them now because I keep adding them. I'll go to 40 in that as well. How do you get this? It's simple. You go to our website, and under Research, just go there. You'll see what it is. The combination for the first 30 days, $16.90. So it's roughly 50 cents a day. Come on, you're not going to get anything like that anywhere. I give specific buy-sell recommendations, what to do, where to do it, what I think the markets are going to do. I try to help you help yourself with maybe your own trade ideas. That's the goal. Remember, we're going to have live webinars. Any subscriber can attend those for free, where there's a charge for the others to get in. How do you find out more? Go to our website. Under the word research, explains it all. I'm Ira. See you at the end of the day. Have a great trading day.